Most people take months to learn AI, but there's a way to do it in days. A way so fast, it feels almost like cheating. And once it's seen, everything about AI becomes easier. Before revealing the shortcuts, here's the truth. AI only feels hard because everyone starts in the slowest place. They dive into code, long courses, complicated math, and endless tutorials. And they get overwhelmed long before anything makes sense. But real AI mastery comes from something far simpler, which is learning how to talk to AI systems like ChatGPT clearly. And the easiest way to do that is through a simple prompt pattern, which is used by top creators, researchers, and builders. Here's how the 4-part prompt pattern works. First, give the AI a role so it knows who to act like. Second, give it a goal so it knows exactly what you need. Third, give it rules so the response stays clear and on track. Fourth, give it an output format so it knows how to deliver the answer. This works in every AI chat, every project, and every task because it gives the AI structure. With structure, the AI understands better, answers more clearly, and produces far stronger results. Now, the next cheat code is called the 3-minute mastery method. In the first minute, learn the concept by asking the AI to explain it to you. In the second minute, ask the AI to teach it back in simple, easy-to-understand language. In the third minute, ask the AI to quiz you until the idea becomes clear. This method turns AI into a personal tutor that moves at the speed you need, making learning faster and easier than anything else. But here's the twist no one expects. The fastest way to master AI isn't to study it. It's to use it. Ask it to help build a marketing plan, a website, a spreadsheet formula, a short script, an automated email reply, a chatbot, or an app idea. Each small project teaches a new skill instantly. Stack these tiny wins, and AI becomes a superpower. This is where most people fall behind. They try to learn everything at once, but the true shortcut is just-in-time learning. This means learning only what the next small project requires. This prevents overwhelm, saves time, and turns AI into a step-by-step ladder. But here's the biggest advantage of all. AI can become your personal coach for any skill on Earth. Just tell ChatGPT or any other AI model the following: become my coach. Break this topic into simple lessons. Keep everything easy. Suddenly, complex skills become easy because the AI adapts to your pace, your level, and your goals. To make mastery even faster, use the 30-day AI challenge. Week 1, learn the prompting patterns. Week 2, build tiny projects. Week 3, create automations that save hours daily. Week 4, complete one impressive final project that proves real skill. With this plan, anyone, students, creators, or complete beginners, can build real AI skills in just 1 month. You can master AI faster than almost everyone around you by using these simple shortcuts hidden in plain sight, and unlock the skills that make life easier, work faster, and opportunities bigger. Subscribe to keep learning AI the easy way.